Alright, so this is the simplifying fractions part 2 video. Alright, and this video is going to talk about tricks for simplifying, and then we're going to look at the threes trick in a little more in depth. Okay, so the first trick is, it's very straightforward. Okay, it's if the numerator and the denominator are both even. Okay, that means the number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then you can take out a 2 from both. Okay, that means you can take out a 2 and you can divide both of them by 2 and make smaller numbers. All right, so for example, 14 is an even number. 20 is an even number because they end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay, that means we can take out a 2 from each one. Okay, and in that case, we'd get 7 over 10 because 2 goes into 14 7 times and 2 goes into 20 10 times. So you get 7 over 10 and you're done. All right, another one would be like 24 over 36. Okay, 24 is even because it ends in a 4. 36 is even because it ends in a 6. So you can take out a 2 from both of them. All right, and remember those examples we did. This isn't always the most efficient way to simplify. Okay, it's a very easy way to simplify if they're both even, but it's not the most efficient. Okay. Another trick is that if the numerator and the denominator both end in 0 or 5, then you can take out a 5 from both of them. Okay, so for example, 10 ends in 0 and 25 ends in 5, right? So what I'm saying is 5 goes into 10 and 5 goes into 25 evenly, right? 5 goes into 10 2 times, 5 goes into 25 5 times. Okay, same thing with 45 and 50. 5 goes into 45 evenly. It goes into 45 9 times. 5 goes into 50 10 times. Okay, same thing here, 75 95. All right, they both end in 5, so you can take out a 5 from both. Okay, make sure you never take out a number from only one of the numbers. Okay, that'll give you the wrong answer every single time. All right, in this case, 80 ends in 0, right, and 125 ends in 5, so you can take out a 5 from these two and you can simplify that way. All right, now the trick that, my favorite trick, okay, and a trick that I want all of you guys to know, is the threes trick. Okay, and it says if the sum of the digits of the numerator and denominator are both divisible by 3, then the actual numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, let's look at examples of the threes trick. Okay, so one more time, it says if the sum of the digits, all right, the sum of the digits of the numerator and the denominator are both divisible by 3, then the actual numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, let's look. All right, so for example, here we have, this first example says 12 divided by 45. Okay, so let's look and see what's going on here. Okay, I want to check to see, okay, first things first, this is 12 is an even, 45 is odd, so we know we can't take a 2 out. All right, we know we can't take a 5 out either. All right, so we're stuck here puzzled because this can be simplified, and maybe they're asking us to simplify this, but we don't know how. Okay, so let's look at it. All right, so the first thing you want to do here, and for all of these, we're going to use the threes trick. All right, so how you do that is you look at the top number and you see what the sum of the digits is. What I mean by that is the top number is 12. Okay, 1 plus 2, right? 12. 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, 3 goes into 3 evenly. All right, that means 3 goes into 12 evenly. Okay, let's look at 45. 45, okay, 45 is going to be 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, 3 goes into 9 evenly. 3 goes into 9 3 times. All right, that means 3 goes into 45 evenly. We don't know how many times yet, but we know 3 goes into 45 because 3 goes into 4 plus 5, which is 9. Okay, the answer to this problem is not 3 over 9. Okay, a lot of you guys, when I showed you guys the trick, you guys like to just write 3 over 9 because of what happens here. Okay, that's not what the trick is. The trick's just saying that 3 will go into this number because the sum of the digits of this number is divisible by 3. 3 goes into 3. Same thing with 45. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 goes into 9. That means 3 goes into 12 and 45. So let's see. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 3 goes into 45 15 times. And let's see, are we done? Yeah, we're done because no number goes into 4 and 15 evenly. Okay, so we're done. Let's look at this next example, okay? Let's see if the 3's trick will work here to simplify it, all right? So, okay, we have 18, which is gonna, let's see, 1 plus 8 is 9. 3 goes into 9. That means 3 will go into 18, okay? We have 33. 33 will be 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 goes into 6 evenly. 3 goes into 6 2 times. That means 3 is going to go into 33 also. Okay, it's just a little trick. All right, so what we can do is we can say, okay, 18 over 33, and then we can write, well, let's see, 3 goes into 18 6 times. 3 goes into 33 11 times. And we're done. It's simplified. Okay, another one. 27 and 54. Okay, 27 is going to be 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 goes into 9. That means 3 is going to go into 27 also. Okay, 54 will be 5 plus 4, which is 9. Okay, 5 plus 4 is 9. 3 goes into 9. That means 3 goes into 54 also. So we can take out a 3. That means we can take out a 3 from the numerator and denominator. Okay, 3 goes into 27 9 times. 3 goes into 54 18 times. Okay. And are we done yet? No, I think we can go again, right? I think we know that 3 can go into 9, and we know 3 goes into 18. Okay, so you really do want to get comfortable with your divisibility rules and your multiplication. Okay, so 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 18 6 times. Okay, and look, we can go another time. Okay, 3 goes into 3 1 time. 3 goes into 6 twice. Okay, so we got 1/2. If we wanted to, we could have taken this right here, over here. Let's say we take it over here. 27 over 54. Now, if we wanted to just be really efficient, okay, we could say, well, 27 goes into 27 1 time. 27 goes into 54 2 times. Okay, well, that takes practice. Okay, so you really need to practice these before you before you start skipping that many steps, or before you start seeing it that quickly. Okay, just come through practice. All right, so last example, it's 36 over 48. Which maybe we'll do this the 3's way, and then we'll try it a different way. All right, so let's try the 3's way first. The 3's way is going to say, well, let's see. 36 is going to be 3 plus 6 equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay, the 3 and 6 come from the 36. Okay, 3 goes into 9. That means 3 goes into 36. Okay, 48 is going to be 4 plus 8, which is 12. 3 goes into 12 evenly. 3 goes into 12 4 times. That means 3 is going to go into 48 also. Okay, so what we can do here is we can take out a 3 out of the top and bottom. So 3 goes into 36 12 times. 3 goes into 48 16 times. Okay, well, look, we're not done yet. Okay, so the 3's trick only helped us out a little bit. All right, so maybe now I know that 4 goes into 12 and 4 goes into 16. So maybe I'll use that one. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 goes into 16 4 times, and yep, I'm done. Okay, I also could have taken it down with the 2's trick, right? I would have had 2 goes into 12 6 times, 2 goes into 16 8 times. Okay, but then I would have done it again, and then I would have got 3 over 4. Okay, or what I could have done was I could have just taken 36 over 48 and seen that 12 goes into 36 3 times, and 12 goes into 48 4 times. Okay, so that means now I would have been done the first time because I chose the greatest common factor of 36 and 48. The largest number that goes into both of them will let you finish the very first time. Okay, so in this case, the greatest common factor of 36 and 48 was 12. Okay, if you have any questions or if you want me to post more videos on simplifying fractions, just let me know. All right, thanks for watching.